Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Math Solutions. I am Shilpa Joshi and this would be the last video of rational numbers. In this video, you will learn how to multiply rational numbers, then how to simplify, then what is the difference between additive inverse and multiplicative inverse, because I have seen that students get confused if I teach them individually. So I have taken both of them simultaneously, so it is very easy for you to understand the difference. Then we will fill in the blanks, the missing numbers, and at last we will do some problem sums or story sums. So this video is going to be very helpful for you, so keep watching. Let's start with the last two parts of rational number, and that is multiplication and division. First we will learn how to multiply rational numbers. I will remove this by with a multiplication sign first. So first I will write minus 36 upon 5 multiplied by 20 upon minus 3. Now I have to find out a common divisor which can divide numerator and denominator both. See, 20 can be divided by 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. Again 36 can be divided by 3, 3 ones are 3, again 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. These two minus sign will cancel each other and our answer will be 12 fours are 48. In our second question, simplify minus 19 upon 36 multiplied by 16. Again 16 is a whole number, but still I can write divided by 1. Now 16 is in numerator position. Now I have to find out any common divisor which can divide numerator and denominator both. 16 and 36, both of them can be divided by 4. So I can say 4 fours are 16 and 4 nines are 36. Now there is no common divisor which can divide 19 and 9 or 4 and 9. So I just have to multiply 19 with 4. So 19 fours are 76. 9 ones are 9. But 19 is negative, so I will put a negative sign. In our next question, we have to again simplify. See, these are two rational numbers which are getting multiplied, and then there is a positive sign and again two rational numbers. But both these numbers are in bracket. So as per the BORDMAS rule, first I have to solve the bracket. So first I will solve this one. So I can write it as 13 upon 8 multiplied by 12 upon 13 in a bracket. Then put a plus sign, minus 4 upon 9 multiplied by 3 upon minus 2. Again I have to close the bracket. Again I will find the common divisor. 13 ones are 13, 13 ones are 13. 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So this is 3 upon 2. Then I will put a plus sign. These two negative sign will cancel each other. And this is 2 upon 3. So now I am having two rational numbers and both of them are having different denominators. But if I have to add them, I have to first take LCM of denominators. So now I will take LCM of these two denominators. And LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So first I will convert this 2 into 6 and 3 into 6. So 3 upon 2 multiplied by a number to make it 6. 2 3s are 6. So again 3 3s are 9. Next 2 upon 3. Again I have to multiply 3 with a number to make it 6. And again you know 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. So now I am having two rational numbers. First one is 9 upon 6 plus second one is 4 upon 6. Now denominators are same, so I just have to add the numerators. 9 plus 4 is 13 upon 6. This is the answer. Now we will learn how to take additive inverse as well as multiplicative inverse of rational numbers. I have already explained how to take additive inverse in my previous video also. You can go to my playlist and check that video first. but right now I am teaching you simultaneously so that you won't have any confusion. Start with our first question, minus 15 upon 7. Whenever you have to find out additive inverse, just write it as it is. First I will write 15 upon 7. I don't have to change the position of numerator and denominator both. 15 upon 7, 15 upon 7. I just have to change the position of this negative sign. Negative sign is in numerator position, so I will make it in denominator position. This is the answer. But in multiplicative inverse, again numerator is negative, same as in additive inverse case. Minus 17 upon 12. But two rational numbers are said to be multiplicative inverse of each other if their product is 1. It means if I multiply minus 17 upon 12 with a rational number and the product of these two rational number is 1, then only we can call them multiplicative inverse. And I can multiply minus 17 upon 12 with 12 upon minus 17. Then only this 12 will cancel this one and this minus 17 will cancel this minus 17. So I can say 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12, minus 17 ones are minus 17 and minus 17 ones are. Then only our answer will be 1. So what is the answer? 12 upon minus 17. Because only 12 upon minus 17 makes this minus 17 upon 12 into 1. Again we will learn how to take additive inverse. Minus 12 upon minus 30. But whenever we have to take additive inverse of any number, we have to make sure that denominator should be positive. But right now it is negative. So I will multiply it with minus 1. So it will become 12 upon 13. Now I don't have to take additive inverse of minus 12 upon 13. I have to take additive inverse of 12 upon 13. In 12 upon 13, numerator is positive, so I will make it negative. And the additive inverse will be minus 12 upon 13. Again in case of multiplicative inverse, again same type of question, that numerator and denominator both of them are negative. And now I have to find out the multiplicative inverse of minus 3 upon minus 5. And you know that we have to find out a rational number. If I multiply this rational number with minus 3 upon minus 5, answer should be 1. But this time I will not just reverse the order of numerator and denominator. 5 upon 3, 5 will cancel this 5, 3 will cancel this 3. But what about the sign? I don't have to put any negative sign in this rational number because numerator and denominator both of them are already negative and they will cancel each other. So I just have to write 5 upon 3. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So our answer is 1. So in this way we can say that 5 upon 3 is the multiplicative inverse of minus 3 upon minus 5. So our answer is 5 upon 3. Next we have to find the multiplicative inverse of 0. You know that we cannot say 0 upon 1 multiplied by again 1 upon 0. It has no sense. So multiplicative inverse of 0 does not exist. Now we have to find the multiplicative inverse of 1, and you know that if I multiply 1 with 1, I will get 1. So multiplicative inverse of 1 is 1 only. Take one more example. If I ask you to write multiplicative inverse of 1 upon minus 6. Again I have to multiply 1 upon minus 6 with a number so that the answer would be 1. So I can say minus 6 upon 1. Then only 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, and these two negative sign will cancel each other and our answer will be 1. So the multiplicative inverse of 1 upon minus 6 is minus 6. Take one more example. What is the multiplicative inverse of minus 1? You know that if I multiply minus 1 with minus 1, then only I will get 1. So multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is minus 1 only. So minus 1 is the answer. In this segment you will learn how to divide rational numbers. See, these are two rational numbers and we have to divide them. So first you just have to write down the first rational number as it is. First I will write minus 16 upon 35. Now I will change this division sign to multiplication sign. But we cannot change any sign as per our convenience. So whenever we are changing division sign to multiplication sign, we have to reverse the order of this rational number. It means we have to take multiplicative inverse of minus 15 upon 14, and that is 14 upon minus 15. Now I will find out, is there any common divisor which can divide numerator and denominator both? 14 and 35, both of them can be divided by 7. I can say 7 2s are 14 and 7 5s are 35. Now there is no common divisor which can divide 16, 15, 2 or 5. So I just have to multiply the numerator as it is. 16 2s are 32 and 15 5s are 75. And what about negative sign? One negative sign in numerator and one negative sign in denominator. So they will cancel each other and our answer will be positive rational number. In our next question, minus 12 upon 7 divided by minus 18. So again I will write the first rational number as it is. I will write minus 12 upon 7. Now I will change this division sign into multiplication sign, and whenever we change the division sign in multiplication sign, we have to take multiplicative inverse of next rational number. So I will make it in denominator position. So I can write it 1 upon minus 18. Now I can divide 12 and 18 by 2. So I can say 2 9s are 18 and 2 6s are 12. Now 6 and 9, again I can divide both of them with 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. So our answer is 2 upon, I have to multiply 7 with 3, 7 3s are 21. And again these two negative signs will cancel each other and our answer will be a positive rational number. So this is the answer. Find the missing numbers. I have to divide a number with minus 7 upon 5 so that the answer would be 10 upon 19. And I don't know what is the number it is. And you know that whenever we have to find any unknown variable, we can assume it as x. So I can say x. Now the second rule, whenever we have to find the value of any unknown variable, we always leave it alone. So I will leave this x alone and I will shift this minus 7 upon 5 from left hand side of the equal sign to the right hand side. So I will shift this one. But I am not shifting x. So I will write x equal, I am not shifting 10 upon 19. So I will again write 10 upon 19. But I have shifted minus 7 upon 5. But minus 7 upon 5 is getting divided. So whenever we have to shift any number from left hand side to right hand side or right hand side to left hand side, we have to change the sign of that number. So I will put a multiplication sign instead of division sign. And now I will write 7 upon 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Now there is no common divisor which can divide these numbers. So our answer is minus 14 upon 19. In our second example, we have to divide minus 12 with a number, so that answer would be minus 6 upon 5. And we don't know the number, so again we can assume it as x. But in this question, we cannot shift minus 12, because if I shift minus 12, I will get the answer of 1 upon x, because x is denominator. So I have to shift this x. So first I will write minus 12, then I will put an equal sign. So now I have shifted this x from left hand side to right hand side. So this will become minus 6 upon 5. X was getting divided, so it will get multiplied by x. Now again I have to find out the value of x. So I will keep it alone and I will shift this minus 6 upon 5 from right hand side to left hand side. So it will be minus 12. Minus 6 upon 5 was multiplied. So this time it will get divided. And then I will get the answer of x. Again you cannot divide two rational numbers. So I have to change this division sign into multiplication sign. So I can say 12 multiplied by, and you know that whenever we have to change the sign from division to multiplication, we have to make the reciprocal of next rational number. So I will say 5 upon minus 6 and minus 12 divided by 1 we can say. Now 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. These two negative sign will cancel each other and 5 twos are 10. This is the answer. Let's take first story sum. A bus is moving at an average speed of 46:2/3 km per hour. How much distance will it cover in 2:2/5 hours? First we will find out the keywords. What is the speed of the bus? 46:2/3 km per hour. It shows that bus covers the distance of 46:2/3 km in 1 hour. So definitely it will cover more distance in 2:2/5 hours. But first these two numbers are in mixed fractions. So first I have to convert them into improper fraction. And I hope you know how to convert mixed fractions into improper fractions. If you don't know, go to my playlist and watch my video on fraction first. I will make some rough space. This is 46 multiplied by 3. 6 3s are 18. 12 plus 1, 138 plus 2 divided by 3. So it is 140 upon 3 kilometer. And the next 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. This is 12 upon 5 hours. And now I can make the statement. And the first statement would be distance covered in 1 hour. And what is the distance? 140 upon 3 kilometer. And what is the question? How much distance will it cover? So I have to find out the distance covered in 2:2/5 hours. But we have changed this 2:2/5 hours into 12 upon 5 hours. So I can say distance covered in 12 upon 5 hours. Now I have to multiply 140 upon 3 multiplied by 12 upon 5. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 eights are 40, 8 fours are 32, 4 twos are 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is the distance which is covered in 2:2/5 hours. So this is the answer. Let's take one more story sum. The cost of 2:1/2 meters of cloth is rupees 78:3/4. Find the cost of cloth per meter. See, there is a cloth that is 2:1/2 meter. And what is the cost of this much cloth? That is 78:3/4 meter. And if you go and you want to purchase just 1 meter of cloth, so definitely you will have to pay less amount, because this is the cost of 2:1/2 meter and you are purchasing just 1 meter of cloth. So definitely we have to divide. But first we have to convert these two mixed fraction into improper fraction. So first I will make some rough space. 78:3/4. I just tell you the answer. You have to multiply 78 with 4 and then you have to add it with 3. And it will become 315/4. And the next one, 2:1/2 plus 1, 5/2. So now I can make the statement. The cost of 5/2 meter of cloth equal 315 upon 4 rupees. So now we have to find the cost of 1 meter. So we can say cost of 1 meter of cloth equal to. Now the cost will be definitely less because we are purchasing just 1 meter of clothes, so we have to divide 5 upon 2. But you know that we cannot divide two rational numbers. So I have to change this division sign into multiplication sign. So I will write 315 upon 4 multiplied by. Now if I am changing the sign, I have to make the reciprocal of this rational number. So it will become 2 upon 5. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30 and 5 threes are 15. So our answer is 63 upon 2 and our answer is in rupees. But still this answer is in improper fraction. So we have to change it into mixed fraction. So we have to divide 63 by 2. 2 threes are 6, 0, this is 3, 2 ones are 2, this is 1. So our answer is 31 is to 1 upon 2 and this is rupees. So that's all for today's class. If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon for the notification. We will meet in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Keep learning, keep smiling.